Gold prices today slipped after a sharp sell-off in the previous session. On MCX, gold futures were down 0.1% to 50,087 rupees per 10 gram, while silver fell 0.2% to 56,719 rupees per kilogram. Gold and silver prices fell sharply on Tuesday on the back of a strong US inflation data that also sent the dollar index and bond yields higher. In global markets, gold was flat today and traded near $1,704.03 per ounce. COMEX gold traded flat, weighed down by recovery in the US dollar and higher bond yields in reaction to US inflation data. A slightly bigger than expected rise in consumer prices rekindled worries that the Fed may continue with aggressive rate hikes. The Fed is largely expected to raise interest rate by 0.75% in the coming week, and market players now expect Fed to continue with aggressive hikes going ahead. Gold witnessed a sharp rebound which ran out of steam close to $1,750/oz level, and prices may remain under pressure as focus shifts to upcoming Fed meeting, said Ravindra Rao, VP Head Commodity Research at Kotak Securities. The stronger than anticipated US inflation numbers have cemented the likelihood for a jumbo-sized rate hike at the Fed meeting, scheduled next week. Gold is seen as a hedge against inflation, but higher interest rates increase the opportunity cost of holding it. The dollar index eased a bit today, making gold less expensive for overseas buyers. Gold rates at prices in the previous session saw their biggest one-day percentage fall since July 14, as the dollar logged its best day since March 2020 after an unexpected rise in US August consumer prices. In India, gold had dropped 500 rupees per 10 gram on Tuesday. Gold technical outlook Rahul Kalantri, VP Commodities, Maytu Equities Limited, said, gold has support at $16.96 to $16.82, while resistance is at $17.18 to $17.26. Silver has support at $18.78 to $18.55, while resistance is at $19.28 to $19.45. In rupee terms, gold has support at 49 rupees, 940, 49810, while resistance is at 50,380 rupees to 50,540. Silver has support at 56,050 rupees to 55,640, while resistance is at 57,180 rupees to 57,610. Meanwhile, in global equity markets, a semblance of calm returned after Tuesday's rout sparked by hotter-than-expected American inflation. Shares had their biggest drop in more than 2 years Tuesday, with the S&P 500 falling more than 4% and the Nasdaq 100 sliding more than 5%. Today, U.S. equity index futures were higher while a gauge of the dollar retreated after jumping the most in 3 months on Tuesday. With agency inputs,